Now same example we will solve using inverse method. Okay, for that we will denote these three matrices by A as this coordinate matrix, X as this variable matrix, and this B as constant matrix. Okay, now we want X, so pre-multiply by A inverse on both sides. We will get on this side X and here A inverse equals to B. Okay, so this is our equation 1. For A inverse we want determinant of A and adjoint of A. Okay, so one by one we will find determinant and adjoint. So determinant of A is 1 in bracket 1 minus 0, minus 0 in bracket anything is 0, plus 1 in bracket 1 minus 0, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2, which is non-zero, therefore A is invertible. Okay, now for adjoint of A, we will write A as it is 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0, then 0 minus 1 1. Repeat first two columns, 1 minus 1 0, 0 1 minus 1. Now repeat first two rows, 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1. Cancel first row and first column, and therefore adjoint of A equals to, simply multiply in this way horizontally and write vertically. So 1, here also 1, and then 1. This method in detail you will find my previous videos. Okay, you will get in description box. Okay, now for second column, minus 1 1 and plus 1. Now last column in this way, minus 1 and 1. Okay, therefore A inverse is 1 upon 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 1. Put this value of A inverse in your equation number 1. So we will have X equals to A inverse B. Now this is A inverse and B is 1 1 2. Now multiply. X means X Y Z equals to 1 by 2 into each row with this column. So we will have here 1 minus 1 minus 2, here 1 plus 1 minus 2, and here 1 plus 1 plus 2. In this way we will have 1 by 2 into minus 2, 0 and 4. Simply minus 1, 0, 2. It means X equals to minus 1, Y equals to 0 and Z equals to 2. That is our option D. Okay. For more solutions of MCQs like this, bookmark the playlist of MCQs for IIT and JEE and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.